Lose your bird in California. Cool. Just don't whistle for it before 7 a.m. I'm serious. In certain parts of California, it is actually illegal to whistle for a lost canary before 7 in the morning. A real law about birds and noise. This rule likely came from some old noise ordinances, but it totally sounds like one neighbor was just completely done. Like, I don't care about your bird, Kevin. I care about my sleep. Can you just imagine standing outside in your pajamas, whistling desperately into the void while your neighbor is on the phone with the cops like, yep, he's summoning something again. So, if you happen to lose a bird in the Golden State, just remember to stay quiet, stay legal, and maybe invest in a serious cage upgrade. Subscribe for more bizarre laws. Comment with a bird emoji if you had no idea. And share this with your loudest early riser friend.